Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, if you did not already know, from QB Wig Collections. And today I am going to be doing this quick makeup look with these lovely ebony lashes from my website. Please stay tuned for this beautiful video if you want to see how I got this look. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You distracted me.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brittany, if you already...
Cut.
Today I am going to be doing this quick makeup look with some lashes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you did not... You distracted.